Hello, my name is Felipe Fernandez, and today I'll be showing you how to make a simple breakfast shake. So this is a great recipe if you're in a hurry and you want something quick and easy to make. So you're gonna need a blender. I'll be using my Magic Bullet blender. 1 banana, 1 cup of milk or almond milk, and 2 tablespoons of your favorite protein powder. So first, we peel the banana. I find it's a bit easier to peel if you squeeze the bottom of it a bit and then you peel. Then you want to put the banana in the blender. You want to break it apart into pieces. This will make blending easier. Next, we want to pour in our milk. And then we want to put in our protein powder. So this is 2 tablespoons. We want to close this up. And now we blend. It looks like it's fully blended. And now let's give it a taste test. Tastes good. Well, try this at home and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you and have a nice day.